I have my bowl. I have my candy melts. And we're going to be making, I'm pretty sure a bunch of you guys have already seen those hearts that Kim Kardashian uses for her little fragrance collections. I have little mallets that came with this. I'm going to be making mini ones for the kids and a big one for my husband. Hopefully he doesn't watch this video because I'm uploading it before I give him his gift. And then I have these candy conversation hearts. You know, they say, I love you, hug me, all that good stuff. And we're going to get started. So, I actually do have other flavors. Not other flavors, I guess other colors. I did pick up pink. And I also picked up white. They actually ran out of red. So, whatever I have is, you know, all we're going to have left. I'm sure you guys know how to melt chocolate. I just put it in the microwave in a bowl for 30-second intervals and then, you know, mix it up until it's fully melted. And I'm going to just put them in the silicone molds. So after these are done hardening, I'm just going to do an extra layer on the sides for good measure, you know, so they don't crack on me as easy. Sorry, guys. But yeah, so we're just going to be adding our second layer, and let me go ahead and quickly do that. So I actually made the decision to layer the bottom very thinly as well. I am going to be doing the big one now while those ones are over there drying. I have a bowl. I'm going to place some of these white chocolates in here. No. I don't want to do white chocolates. Let's do pink ones, right? Isn't pink more lovey-dovey? I don't know. Let's... this didn't happen. So... pink ones. Okay, I have my chocolate melted, and I'm just gonna do exactly the same as I did in the other heart. This one is going to take a lot more, and I don't think I even made enough, but we will see and keep layering it as we go. So I like to make sure I get all these cracks and crevices because there is like a shape pattern on this one, and I want to make sure I get all those corners in good. They will be nice and defined. And now I'm just gonna finish this first layer. There we have it. That is the first layer done. I'm going to do some little touch-ups, make sure there's no air bubbles, and fix everything. And then I'm going to probably add 2 more layers to this. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, love, love. Next up for these, I'm going to be taking my conversation hearts, they're tiny ones, and just pop a couple in here. The kids are going to love these. Kiss me. These ones are for the young ones, right? Because this wasn't a thing when I was growing up. Go, really? Anyway, hug me, normal ones. I'm just gonna put a few of those on the bottom. Not too many because, you know, these are for the kids and it's just mainly supposed to be a fun thing for them to do. And I don't want them eating a buttload of candy. I don't want any of those crumbs in there either. Now what I'm going to be doing is just taking a hot pan and pressing it down. I my heart, I'm just going to press it really lightly, quickly, woo, and then just quickly put it on top of here. And that mends the two hearts together. And then you can clean up the edges of the chocolate. That pan was too hot, so it did take a lot off. Hearts done. And I'll show you guys a test one. I'm going to make a test one right now. And I actually like the way these ones came out. I wasn't sure. But I'm going to make a test one and I'll show you it cracking because these ones are going to be for the kids. And I don't want to crack them. You guys might want to see how large this one is compared to the little ones, which the little ones are very tiny. The silicone compared to that, so small. That's much more chocolate being done. I'm going to attempt to take this out. I'm not sure if all the chocolate is done hardening, but I did do 3 coats, which took up 1 whole bag of these. That's just for 1/2, so I'm going to use 2 bags of these for both sides. And inside of this one, I was going to put a watch for my husband or like, you know, like a fragrance or something, but those wouldn't have been here in time for me to make this. So I am going to be putting this little guy in there. These conversation cards. So this little thing, we like buying stuff that is veteran owned because my husband is in the military, if you guys didn't know. So we like supporting veteran businesses, and this, I found this, which was so cute, can go in his wallet. I like writing my husband notes, and he sticks them in his wallet anyway, so I thought this would be cute. It is, I think, steel or whatever. It's metal, and it just has this cute little quote on there or little message. So, yeah, I'm just going to stick that in there. I'm actually going to wrap this up in saran wrap. Sorry guys, I'm so thirsty. I'm like sitting here trying to talk to you and I am thirsty. Whatever, I'll get this situated.